Let's move over to a gas water heater and we'll show you how to adjust the temperature on a gas water heater. All right, so a gas water heater is much more simple to adjust the temperature on, and it's also a little bit more realistic in the fact that, remember when I was telling you on the electric water heaters, those temperatures on there are just kind of a rough gauge. They aren't really exact temperatures. Well, in the gas water heaters, they don't even really give you numbers. They just give you, like this one says, pilot, vacation, low, hot, A, B, C, and very hot. What are those temperatures? I don't know. Every house is a little bit different. What we do know is that if we set the thermostat to the hot setting, that is going to be fairly close to 120 degrees. And then if we set it on the A setting, that is going to be fairly close to 130. The B setting is going to be about 140, and so on. And again, these are rough approximations. Right now, my water heater is set just above the A setting. Like I just said, A is going to be about 130, and my water temperature is about 130 to 131, so we're fairly close with that. This black dial on this particular water heater is how we set it. There's a notch indicating where the dial is pointing, and right now it's set just above the A setting. If I wanted to turn my temperature down, I could turn that notch to the hot setting and that would give me about 120. If I wanted to turn it up, I could crank it all the way up to the very hot setting and you actually hear it click on. And now it's gonna heat and heat the water up even more.